In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a web form with JotForm. Let's dive right in and start by heading over to JotForm. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll notice on the main dashboard there's an option to create a new form. Click on Create Form, and you'll be presented with a choice. Use a template or start with a blank form. If you're looking for something quick and easy, JotForm offers a wide variety of templates that can suit numerous purposes, from contact forms to surveys. However, if you want something more customized or specific, just go with a blank form so that you can have full control. Now this is where the magic really starts happening. You'll find yourself in the Form Builder interface. It's here that you can let your creativity loose by dragging and dropping different fields to your form. Think about what information you need from your users. Common fields might include the name, email address, and maybe even a phone number, depending on your needs. Just click on the field you want and drag it into your form area. It's as simple as that. Feel free to rearrange the fields to your liking. Next, let's customize the design and settings of your form. Look for the Customize button, which usually brings up a variety of options. You can personalize the emails sent to you once someone submits a form, and importantly, you can set up a thank you page that users will see after they've submitted their information. This is a great opportunity to thank your respondents, or maybe direct them back to your website for more engagement. Once you're satisfied with the structure and look of your form, it's crucial to preview it before it goes live. There should be a preview button somewhere in the interface, allowing you to see the form through the eyes of a potential respondent. This step is important to catch any last-minute errors or omissions. Test the form by entering sample data to make sure it submits correctly and that you receive the notifications as expected. Last but definitely not least, it's time to get your form out there. Click on the Publish button. JotForm gives you options here. You can either share a direct link to your form, or if you're looking to integrate it more fully into your site, you can choose to embed it. Each option comes with its own instructions, so just follow those to get your form live and ready for action. By following these steps, you'll have a fully functional web form that not only looks great, but also serves its purpose effectively. Whether you're collecting feedback, collecting leads, or just gathering information, JotForm makes the process seamless and straightforward. So go ahead, share your brand new form and watch